Now, this is our continuing video and classification of industries. So, what are the main basis for classification of industries? So, main basis is raw material, availability of raw material, and labor and capital employed. These are the main basis of setting up of industries in any area. So, industries can be classified in various ways. First, on the basis of sources of raw material. On the basis of raw material, these are mainly agro based industries or mineral based industries, which are based on their sources of raw material. So agro based industries are cotton, jute, textile industries, and rubber industry, sugar industry. All these industries are based on agricultural produce. Then mineral based industries, where minerals are easily available, that iron and steel plant, cement factory, aluminium, machine tools factories. All these factories are based on the sources on the basis of minerals. Then according to their main role, so some industries are based on their performance. Basic industries which supply their products as raw material to other industries, for example iron and steel, and other minerals or other agricultural produce. Or some other industries like consumer produce industries, which produce goods for the direct consumer, like sugar, tea, coffee, toothpaste, paper, etc. Then third is on the basis of capital investment. On the basis of capital investment, a small scale industries, industries with investment up to 1 crore. Their maximum investment is 1 crore. Or large scale industries with investment above 1 crore. Large scale industries में कितना होगा, उनका minimum investment 1 crore. So on the basis of capital investment, these two categories are there: small scale industries and large scale industries. Then on the basis of ownership. On the basis of ownership, you all know public sector, private sector, or joint stock industries. Public sector is owned and operated by the government. Then private sector, those industries or factories which are owned and operated by the individuals or group of individuals, or the private sector. Joint stock industries, which are jointly run by the state and individuals, by the government and individuals jointly. These are known as joint stock companies. Then next is cooperative sector industries. Cooperative sector industries, these industries are owned and operated by the producers or suppliers of raw materials, workers, or both. सप्लायर्स ऑफ रॉ मटेरियल्स एंड वर्कर्स, दोनों के कॉम्बिनेशन से जो इंडस्ट्रीज सेटअप और रन की जाती हैं, दैट आर कोऑपरेटिव इंडस्ट्रीज. देन बेस्ड ऑन द बल्क एंड वेट ऑफ रॉ मटेरियल्स और एंड फिनिश्ड गुड्स. सो हैवी इंडस्ट्रीज सच एज आयरन एंड स्टील, एंड लाइट इंडस्ट्रीज दैट यूज रॉ मटेरियल्स एंड प्रोड्यूस लाइट गुड्स सच एज इलेक्ट्रिकल गुड्स इंडस्ट्रीज. नाउ फर्स्ट इज एग्रो बेस्ड इंडस्ट्रीज. Under this category, first industry is textile industry. So textile industry occupies unique position in the Indian economy. As you all know, सबसे बड़ी textile industry ही है अपने यहाँ पे इंडिया में. तो ये इनका रॉ मटेरियल कहाँ से आएगा? एग्रीकल्चरल प्रोड्यूस से आएगा. एंड कॉटन टेक्सटाइल्स, मेनली जो कॉटन टेक्सटाइल इंडस्ट्रीज हैं वो कॉटन पे बेस्ड हैं. अगेन एग्रीकल्चरल प्रोड्यूस से ही इनका भी रॉ मटेरियल होगा.